Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. Pot of conch here and bumper there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. 4 funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. 3 funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. 2 funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy barked and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. 1 funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, Bent, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino and Dino then said, Pent, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear and bear then said, Bait, stop the spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 1 spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch and witch then said, Great, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, today, let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic.
Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, hunter. Something's wrong, I'm a She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dina runs in with Dr. Bad, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Nah. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap.
Wonderful news, Kitty.
All is good, no more scare. Help is fun when friends care.
Go. Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Ooh. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Whoop-hoo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Whoop-hoo! Happy birthday to you! Ooh-three! Happy birthday! Whoop-hoo! But six, where are you? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Craven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malbut does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. Tango boom, 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 boom. Toot and teet and boom. Hide and seek none. Fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near Drew, tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move. Spider-Man, 1, 2, 3. Hiding near Drew, buzzing green. Hide on wall or show owl. Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 2 tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 4 funny stars. Hide face from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 6 silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 balloons and sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? 20 and the old does spin. Big does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Owl bubbles crack cash plash. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. The bubbles josh, crash, crash. Staff up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Vicky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Bubble party starting here. Bubble, bubble, pop, pop, pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom, zoom, zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Bubbles fly right past. Pop, 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 jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Pop goes one right on Kitty's nose. Then another on her toes. Oh no, no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop, 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 jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and slips around. Hey, pop, pop, pop goes every sound. Hey, bubble, bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Last big bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.